everyone, this is LJ and I'm back with another video. And you are watching Student Biologist 101. For this video, we'll be having an experiment about diffusion and I will be explaining it after. And before I start, let me first introduce to you the materials I will be using. So these are the materials I will be using. First, we have 3 cups, one filled with warm water and one filled with cold water, and the other one is empty. We will also be using food colorings. This one is color red and while the other one is color green. It's experiment time! This portion of the video will be fully about the execution of the experiment and explanations will be after this portion. So first, I will be using color green on the hot water. After that one, we'll now use the red color on the cold water. Now for a detailed comparison, let us drop the 2 colors at the same time with their respective waters. So this is a slower version of the comparison. For the bonus part, let us observe what would happen if we combine the 2 colors in an empty cup. So before I explain what happened to the experiment, let me first define what is diffusion all about. So diffusion is the net of movement of molecules from an area where they are at a higher concentration to areas where they are at a lower concentration. So now let me explain the experiment. So now let me explain the experiment itself. So the first thing that is different from the 2 were their temperature. So what is temperature? Temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of a molecule. The hotter a substance is, the more kinetic energy it will have. So as what we have observed in the experiment, when I drop the food coloring on the warmer water, the disperse of the color were really fast, while it was opposite in the cold water. When I drop the food coloring in the cold water, the disperse of the food coloring was really slow, or slower than the hotter water. So that means that when it is a warmer water, the diffusion will be at a higher rate, while it will be opposite when it comes to the cold water, because the diffusion will be slower. So the experiment is an example of diffusion. I hope you liked the video.